In this video, we will review a new ZAPTEST integration with ZAPFARM. After the installation, I will launch the ZAPFARM server and click the Start Server button to activate all its components. ZAPTEST has detected a local instance of ZAPFARM and offers me to connect to it. When you install ZAPFARM for the first time on your computer, the Farm module will display the main ZAPFARM page right away. Otherwise, it will show the login page. For the initial login, I need to use these login credentials. After login, the ZAPFARM screen will display the ZAPFARM main page. It is recommended that you change the default password for the admin account. To do this, I will press the Change Password button. Type the new password value and confirm it. For information on how to manually configure devices, you can press the Learn More button and follow the instructions on the next page. In order to connect to a mobile device, we need to install the device gateway. To get its download link, I need to go to the Tools menu and click the Download button. This opens a web page where the latest version of the device gateway can be downloaded. After the download, I will run the installation exe file and follow the steps on the wizard to complete the installation of the device gateway. Before starting the device gateway, I need to update the ZAPFARM information on the configuration dialog. It must have the correct ZAPFARM address and account details. Now I can start the device gateway. As soon as I plug my mobile device in a USB port, the device gateway will recognize it and add it to my ZAPFARM account. The connected device now appears in the Devices list in ZAPFARM. To control this device, I need to click on its icon and select one of the installed applications. The application's interface will appear in the ZAP viewer. To log out from the ZAPFARM account, I need to click the Logout link. The Change Server link resets the connection and allows me to connect to a different ZAPFARM server. I can also use the ZAPFARM section in the ZAPTEST options to log off and disconnect any active ZAPFARM connection. After this, I can use the Farm module to connect to a different ZAPFARM server. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com today.